Hey, are you a user of Google Maps? In this video, I'm going to discuss how you can use Google Maps Gemini Agentic Artificial Intelligence Ask Maps feature. Now, at the time of this video creation, it's available both in the smartphone mobile device application and also web-based. Basically, what you can perform now with Google Maps is that you're going to be using Gemini's agentic artificial intelligence technology capabilities, and you can basically ask Google Maps anything. Okay, find me a restaurant, find me a hotel, rent me a car, order something. All right, this lengthy blog post from Google's official blog post has more details, and then you scroll down. And here's an example on mobile. So they just asked it to order some food from a specific restaurant. You can even look up transportation information. And then here's another example. Actually, I think it's the same one. All right. Now, I did not test. I, tried to test the Google Maps Gemini Artificial Intelligence Ask Maps feature in 2 different web browsers, and I was already logged into a Google account. You may have to have a Google account because I think they have a feature where it will store history and etc. You could try it. What you'll want to do then in order to use it is you either open up the Google Maps application or the Google application and then choose Maps, and then you just type in web-based, as you can see on screen. I just browsed to maps.google.com in a web browser. You could also perform that on mobile, but it's probably is preferred to actually use the dedicated Google Maps application and or just the Google application. It prompted me right here, ask Maps, ask anything about anywhere. You can turn ideas into adventures such as date night, whatever that is. You know what I'm saying? Trips, and I was being facetious. Even trying to reserve a hotel or maybe a restaurant with help from Gemini. You can choose maybe later, but I'm going to go ahead and click on Ask Maps. And then, okay, now it does have some recommended, so you don't have to type in. And I think their blog post was a little bit vague. I was disappointed in that. I think you might be able to use your voice. At the very least, you use text prompt because you're using generative artificial intelligence, a chatbot. But in this example here, you can see a microphone, I think. Is it this one? It might not be this example. In one of these example images, I saw a microphone icon in the input prompt, so you could try it. If you see a little microphone icon, just click on it and you might be able to speak to Google Gemini, whether it's web-based or smartphone. So they have recommended prompts, right? What can Ask Maps help, all right? How's traffic on my commute? Where can I travel to for a walk, a scenic walk? Good luck with that nowadays. And then what I could do is I could type in, I don't eat restaurant food, you know what I'm saying? Find a local Chinese restaurant. All right, and then you just prompt it. Now, I did notice that there's no microphone here, but I swear on their official blog post, in their examples, I saw a blue microphone. They may be rolling it out to certain, users right now, and it also could be a subject I never talk about. Anyways, okay. All right, let's see what happens. Spinning the globe. All right. Now, thankfully, I don't live in that area. That's a security concern of mine, especially on this platform. You know what I'm saying? But it did go out and look for a local Chinese restaurant, just like I asked it. And it's got multiple ones. They've got ratings. Oh, you can purchase too. You can. How about this one? I don't eat restaurant food, not even pizza. No, it's not healthy. But anyways, order here. Oh, duh. And then it scrolls down and it lists it here with images and ratings and the name of the restaurant, and then it's Google Maps. So whatever you would, perform with Google Maps in the past, now whether or not you can save time, that's debatable, but you can prompt instead of typing into the old search and then waiting for it, right? It uses agentic artificial intelligence now. Okay, order a pizza from, how about, and no, this is just, real world, but how about Domino's? No, I just picked Domino's. You know what I'm saying? Pizza. How about, let me be more specific, order a medium pizza, medium pizza, and large soda, which I never eat pizza, I never eat from restaurants, and I don't consume soda. None of that's healthy, you know what I'm saying? All right. But I realized that I learned long ago, give what the serfs want. And I'm a serf too. Okay. All right. Now they do say that with some, I bet you what you might have to do, and it's just rolling out right now. I know on their blog post that they stipulated that you can order food. But they do mention I cannot place orders. Okay, you will need to order. Oh, and they found a location with a telephone number. I'm going to pause this video. I never script these videos. I never edit, and I freestyle. But I'm going to pause the video. That's technically not editing. And I'm going to show it to you in their official blog post that you can actually order from Google Maps now with Gemini Agentic Artificial Intelligence. I am back. There it is on screen. From agentic food ordering, yes, to real-time transit information. Let's go further, because I know this is popular. I'm a serf too, but I realized long ago people don't live their lives like I do, and people have a choice. You can order food. You can even find a hotel and events. It says right here, if you want to order takeout food, and this is just an example before leaving your cubicle, your office job, just ask Maps to, and then this is an example. And that was the first example that I showed you on mobile. Order a spicy pad key meow with seafood for me to pick up on my way home. All right, it will find restaurants available. So I'm assuming that, it'll take a little while before businesses will start to sign up for this service, and then you'll be able to order using Google Maps and then Gemini's artificial intelligence agentic technology. Where else they mention? Ask Maps can order. Oh, it says food ordering is rolling out now. Okay, so food order is available with Square and Toast and Uber Eats. All right, now you could potentially, in the future, if not already, you might be able to reserve a hotel room, a rental car. I mean, really, the sky's the limit, because that's the power of agentic artificial intelligence. It's not perfect, but when it works, you can leave out, you don't have to call. You just order my food, rent me a car, buy me the plane ticket, and reserve that concert for next month. You know what I'm saying? That the artificial intelligence obsession continues. That was this video pertaining to how to use Google Maps Gemini Agentic Artificial Intelligence Ask Maps feature. Adios.